Hi guys, welcome to the session. This is Prakash, math tutor. Let's solve the question which I have written on the whiteboard. Given if x minus 2 is a factor of the expression 2x cubed plus ax squared plus bx minus 14, when the expression is divided by x minus 3, the remainder will be 52, and we need to find the a and b values here. So given x minus 2 is a factor of the expression 2x cubed plus ax square plus bx minus 14, which means the polynomial expression will be 0 when x is equals to 0, because x minus 2 is a factor here. So at x is equals to 2, 2x cubed plus 4ax square plus bx minus 14 will be 0 at x is equals to 2. So just substitute x is equals to 2 into this equation. So 2 into 2 cube plus a into 2 square plus b into 2 minus 14 equals to 0. So 2 cube is 8. 8 times of 2 is 16. And 2 times of 2 is 4a plus 2b minus 14 equals to 0. Now 4a plus 2b is plus 2 is equals to 0. And see here, we have a 2 as a common term, so divide all the terms by 2, so we'll get 2a plus b equals to minus 1. Let this equation as the first equation. Also given the when expression is divided by x minus 3, the remainder will be a 52. So if the expression is divided by x minus 3, then the remainder is 52. So if x minus 3 is the factor, x is equals to 3 is the 0 or root. So and the remainder will be 52. So write it as 2x cubed plus ax square plus bx minus 14 equals to 52, because the remainder is 52. Now substitute x is equals to 3. So 3 cube is 27, and ax square, a3 square is a into 9, and b into 3 minus 14 equals to 52. So we'll get 2 times of 27 is 54 plus 9a plus 3b minus 14 equals to 52. So 9a plus 3b, 54 minus 14 becomes plus 40. So if we subtract 40 on both sides, we'll get 9a plus 3b equals to 12. See here we have a 3 has a common term, so divide the entire expression or equation by 3. So we'll get 3a plus b equals to 4. So let this as a equation 2. Now equate both the equations and find the values of a and b. So we just subtract equation 2 minus equation 1. So we can write it as 3a plus b equals to 4. This is the equation 2, and the equation 1 is 2a plus b is equals to minus 1. So if you subtract it, equation 2 minus equation 1, will get 3a minus 2a becomes a, and b minus b cancels out, and 4 minus of minus 1 is 5. So a value is 5. Now find the b value. So just substitute a value, a equals to 5 into the equation 1. So equation 1 is 2a plus b equals to minus 1. If you substitute A is equals to 5, we'll get 2 times of 5 plus B is equals to minus 1. So 10 plus B is equals to minus 1. If you subtract 10 on both sides, minus 1 minus 10 becomes minus 11. So we can conclude that the value of B is minus 7. So finally the solution is A equals to 5 and B equals to minus 11. I hope you understand this question. Thanks for watching.